and today I have another video for you guys. So, you know, it's this, it was a trend going on around, you know, the reviewing the Style Factor video. So, you know, I had to hop on that trend or whatnot. So I got the green guy. It's by Style Factor, and it was $7.99 each. Yes, this video was not sponsored. I paid for it with my own money. Okay, I got the flavors sugar melon scent. Well, I got the scents sugar melon scent and strawberry scent. So yeah, it smells good. Delightful. I'm also going to be showing you guys how to do your edges. And I know y'all looking like this. You don't have edges. Well, listen. That's why I'm here. I'm going to show you how to do your edges, even if you don't have any edges. I'm helping you out. Oh, and don't come for my hair. I know it looks short, but look, that stretch game, come for somebody else's. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to start with pulling my hair into a high puff. Or it won't even be like a full-blown high puff. It's gonna be just a puff. You know, a puff away from my head. Alright. Now my puff may look trash now. But look, that's why I'm here. That is why I'm here. I don't have an edge comb. I just got a regular old right to sell comb. Cause I was like, hey, the little edge combs that they have at the store are as thin as these. I don't know if you can tell. Are as thin as these, and the brushes are just regular brushes. They're just small brushes. And I was like, why spend $2.99 or $1.99 on something like that, or $1, you know, when I have it at the house. So let me just take my pole edges out, well, my hair out. Alright, so we are done with that. Now you're gonna get your edge control. I'm gonna do the sugar melon. Ooh, sis. Sugar melon scent. And just apply it on my edges. It doesn't require a lot. It doesn't require a lot at all, but you know me. Info. If you have a head like mine, then okay, this is what I do. First, you want to do something exotic in the middle. Like, push that away. You want to do something exotic, right? This is like the centerpiece. This is what people notice when they first see you. Like, oh, what is that in the middle of her forehead? Oh, it's cute. So you're just gonna do the swoop. Add that little hair right there. Do that little swoop. And then just do that right there. do that right there. Let me add some right here. It's Real Deal, just a little smudge. Add here. And do that little swoop. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little new to the edges thing myself. I didn't start doing it till about like February, because I don't know, that's when I started to wear my natural hair just a tad bit more. And I was actually like proud of my natural hair, considering that I cut it and stuff, and it actually grew. So that's that. Yeah, I'm not messing with that, so I'm gonna just swoop. I'll come back to the light. We don't want the rest of it to dry. Okay, so now you're just gonna do the rest of them basic, right? So you're just gonna swoop. Look at that, bis. Well, I said bis. Alright, so now you're just gonna get this little part. Focus. Okay. And swish. You see what I mean? Swish like a basketball. Make the ball go in the hoop. That is all for the edges. They are not perfect, nowhere near, but they do something. And if you want to make a difference in your hairstyles, well, this is one of them. I am not new to this. Like, I bought this one a few weeks ago, almost a month ago, and I've been using it, and you can tell I've been using it. Now, one thing I do not like about this edge control is it flakes. Other than that, it is the perfect edge control because it holds, it does all of that, but it leaves white flakes in your hair, and it's not cute. It's not cute, but that's why you wash your hair. That's all I gotta say. That is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed making this video. If you want to see more videos like it, please comment down below. And if you like my video, then of course like it. If you want to see me some more, then guess what? Subscribe down below so you can join a me. Subscribe down below if you want to see more of me, period. And I mean, you know, you can follow me on my social media if you want to. I mean, I would suggest it because this girl, I don't know her name, Amelia J, whatever, she is pretty and she cold with the pictures and videos. So you know what it is, man. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.